boys and girls, I am Miss Charles and this is my buddy Charlie. And today we are going to look at subtraction within 10 on the 10 frame. So come and join us. Today we will use the 10 frame to show subtraction, take away from a group of objects, and read the subtraction number sentence. Before we start, do you remember what is a 10 frame? Well, don't worry. In this lesson, we are going to be using a 10 frame. Charlie, sorry. Oh, they were edited that, right? So here's our number story. I have 9 counters. I remove 1 counter. How many counters will I have left? There's my 10 frame with my 9 red counters. So, here's my 10 frame, boys and girls. And here are my counters. I have to place 9 counters on my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 counters in all. I remove 1 of my counters. How many counters are left? Well, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 take away 1 equals 8. So here are our 9 counters on our 10 frame, and we removed 1 counter. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I just do that on the table? Yes, I did. 8 counters are left. 9 take away 1 equals 8. So, boys and girls, I invite you to join me as I try to solve our next number sentence using subtraction on the 10 frame. Here's our number story. I will read for you. There are 6 yellow counters. We take away 4 yellow counters. How many yellow counters are left? So here's my 10 frame. And how many do I have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boys and girls. We have 6. Let's go to our table. So here's our 10 frame, and I'm going to place my 6 yellow counters. You can count. Did you get 6? You are correct. There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I removed 4 yellow counters. So I'm going to remove this one, this one, this one, and this one. How many yellow counters are left? Have you checked? Did you count? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 yellow counters are left. 6 take away 4 equals 2. So I'm going to take away 4 of the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like we did. 1, 2 counters are left. 2 counters are left. 6 take away 4 equals 2. Here's another number story. There are 3 red counters. We take away 2 red counters. How many red counters are left? Boys and girls, I am sure you can do this one. There's my 10 frame. and they are my 3 red counters. Let's go to the table. So I'm going to place the 3 red counters. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And how many did we remove? 2. So I'm going to take away 2 red counters. Let's go. 1, 2. How many are left? That's very easy. There's only 1 red counter on our 10 frame. So 3 take away 2 equals 1. There are 3. We take away 2. And we are left with 1. 1 counter is left. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Okay, boys and girls, this is a time where you can work with your buddy. And remember that your buddy is your mommy, uncle, cousin, sister, brother, whoever is at home with you, and you can work it out together. Let's begin. I will read the number story. There are 5 red counters on the table. 2 counters are removed. How many red counters will it have remaining? So here's my 10 frame, and there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 red counters on my 10 frame, and I removed 2. So I take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left, boys and girls? Have you figured it out? Let's check. 1, 2, 3. There are my 5 red counters, and I take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 counters are left. 5 take away 2 equals 3. It's that time again, boys and girls, that time where you are going to try to do these on your own. But don't worry, I am right here with you. Let's begin. There are 8 yellow counters on a table. We take away 3 yellow counters. How many yellow counters are left? Here's our 10 frame with our 8 yellow counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go to our table. So we have 8 yellow counters. I want you to count. I am simply going to put down the counters. Did you get 8? So this is what 8 counters look like on our 10 frame. And I have to take away 3. So I begin to take away. 1, 2, 3. Boys and girls, how many counters are left? What did you get? Did you get 5? Let's check and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are correct. There are 5 counters left. 8 take away 3 equals 5. So here are 8 yellow counters. We take away 3. And we remain with 5. 5 counters are left. 8 take away 3 equals 5. You're doing such a fantastic job. I know that you are getting a hang of this, so we will do another. There are 7 red counters on the table. 1 counter is removed. How many counters will it have left? So here's our 10 frame with our 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will go to the table. 7 red counters. Our 10 frame. And you are going to count for me. Did you get 7? You are correct, boys and girls. This is what 7 looks like on our 10 frame. How many counters did we remove? We removed 1. How many counters are left? What do you have to do, boys and girls? Count. Count with me while I point. Did you get 6 counters? You are correct. 7 take away 1 equals 6. There are counters and we are only taking away 1, 4, 5, 6. 6 counters are left. 7 take away 1 equals 6. I like to give you a challenge. And here's one. It's not difficult, so don't worry. Here's our number story. We already have our 10 frame up. There are 9 counters on the table. 4 counters are removed. How many counters will remain on the table? Well, let's get to our table. We have our 10 frame and we are going to place our counters. They did not say whether it was red or yellow, so we could choose. Let's choose yellow. And we're putting out 9. Count with me, boys and girls. 4, 5, 'I'm going to give you 2 seconds to solve this. How many did we remove? We removed 4. I'm going to remove the 4. I'm going to take away the 4 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did you get for your answer? 5? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 take away 4 equals 5. If you got that, boys and girls, excellent job. So here are 9 counters. We took away 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 counters are left. 9 take away 4 equals 5. I'm clapping for you, boys and girls. What we learned. And here's Charlie. He's going to help us review what we learned today. We learned we can use the 10 frame to do subtraction. We also learned that when we take away from a group, we are doing subtraction. The subtraction number sentence reads, something take away something equals something. Let's go through some of the facts we met today. 9 take away 1 equals 8. 6 take away 4 equals 2. Read along with me. 3 take away 2 equals 1. 5 take away 2 equals 3. 8 take away 3 equals 5. 7 take away 1 equals 6. And 9 take away 4 equals 5. Thank you, boys and girls, for participating in this lesson with me today. Parents, please visit learn.moe.gov.tt for ECC, primary and secondary activities where we focus on helping students to connect and continue learning.